Okay, so I'm in this short. I'm targeting 2R. I'm gonna take off three contracts over here and then one, the last contract over here. I moved my stop to break even after we hit 1R and I'm done on the day. I lost 180. So yeah, so I'm expecting it to continue going down. I also don't want it to hold, I just want it to flush down. So yeah, if this just takes me out to break even, I will I will be done for the day. Because honestly, I don't want to come back, if I'm being honest. And they have alerts to see on NQ what we're doing. But I'm expecting it to flush, even though we have an SMT, but we have relatively equal lows over here. I am gonna buy limit. 1 second. Yeah, 3, and then 1. 3. So yeah, that is it. And then yeah, that's 2R. And then hopefully we continue flushing down this candle. I would like it if it can take us down. Oh, come on. uh, okay, so that's, let me take out this. And then I'm just gonna keep one contract going down, and then I'm gonna trail this one to here. And yeah, okay, so that's done. And yeah, so we made 1 second, just let me, I'm up on the day, so yeah, made $300 on the day, close to, yeah, that's fine. um, yeah, that's how much I made. So first let me explain the first trade that I entered, and then I will explain this trade. Okay, so first of all, coming to the day, uh, so my trade was based off of here. So as you can see, we took out Asia low. So first of all, we took out London low, and then we took out Asia low, and then we were in a 4-hour fair value gap. So I'm not gonna lie, I was expecting the 4-hour fair value gap to hold and take us higher. But then I entered on the 2 minute. That was my entry, and I have proof and everything. I will show you guys. That was my entry. My stop was, where was my stop? I will show you guys that now where my stop was. My stop entered, yeah, it was on the 2 minute. My stop was, I think that's how much I. Wait, 1 second. This is a trade. Yeah, it was a 2 minute. My stop was at 25,600 exact. Yeah, it was 175, and then I was targeting 2R. Okay, so my break even was here, as you can see in the beginning, over here. But then I was here. But then we had this 15 minute, and then at least I wanted to see the 15 minute get hit, and then like that's where my break even was going to be, because we had on the 1 minute we had this 1 minute over here, and we even created a 2 minute. So I wanted at least to see it get hit, then we'll move to break even. That's the second time that has happened to me this a week, so I might have to just move it break even over here. Yeah, it happened to me on Monday, I think it was. So I think that I'm just gonna do that again, just to like whenever we take up the most recent high, I'm just gonna move it. And then the second trade was I waited for, so my second trade was here. So as you can see on the 15 minute, so first of all we opened and then the 4 hour didn't have a wick. We opened the 4 hour didn't have a wick. So then I wanted to see shorts honestly. And then we had an SMT over here with ES. ES didn't take out this candle and Q did. But I didn't want to long it because the 4 hour didn't have a wick, so I was sure that we're gonna go back up. And then what happened? My entry was 15 minutes for value gap, and then 3 minutes. I put a sell limit over here, and then it tapped me in directly, and my stop was over here because I know if we were gonna go down, I was like sure that we're gonna like close below this gap. And then yeah, as you can see, that was my trade, and I'm up 350 on the day, which is good. So we uh, we up on the day, and then and yeah, that was my trade for today. And yeah, that was it for today. It's simple. It was quick, and yeah. Um, the only honestly, it was a good trade. Like I wouldn't say anything bad about it. Although if you can see on the 1 minute, I didn't want to enter off of this 1 minute inverse. Although I knew that we got it, but I didn't want to enter because we had a 3 minute. So I don't know how like because I don't know how we're gonna react to it because in the beginning we were expecting it. That's why. Like we were kind of so I was expecting us to go back and then since the go back and then enter this for value gap since the new 30-minute opened. That's why. But we didn't. But yeah, we just flushed down, and then my entry was over here. I'm not gonna enter. My stop was above this candle, and then actually I was over here. If I'm not mistaken, it was over here, and then targeting here, and yeah, that was my trade. It was a good trade, well managed, and I moved to break even as soon as we hit 1 hour because we didn't have any like lows to like move off of. And yeah, as you can see on the live recording, that was my trade. So it was a good trade today. I'm happy honestly with the loss, even though we lost. It was a good loss. It's not like I didn't go. It's not like I didn't follow my rules or anything. So yeah, it's fine. It happens. The only thing is the break even. I might have to start moving to break even directly, like as soon as we take on this, because that's the second time that has happened. So yeah, that was it for today, and I hope you guys did well. And yeah, trade well.